Hey guys, listen. Do something every day that moves you forward, no matter how small it may seem. Progress is built through consistent actions, not sudden leaps. Each day is an opportunity to learn, grow, and take steps toward your goals. Whether it's reading a page, practicing a skill, or making a small decision in alignment with your dreams. These actions compound over time. Consistency is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be, and every little effort counts in shaping your future. And lastly, don't count the days, instead, make the days count for you. That's it. Bye.